When you check in at the Legoland Hotel, your kids will run straight to the Lego pit, or the playground, or build something for the nightly Lego building contest. The winner gets Legoland money to spend in Legoland. Above the check-in desk, you'll find 1,000 Lego guys on the wall. Every kid gets a wristband in a treasure hunt game which will unlock special prizes in your hotel room. The second floor has a pirate theme. The standard room gives you a bunk bed where each kid gets their own nightlight to switch on and off 100 times before they go to bed. You get a trundle bed, a puzzle on the wall, a safe TV showing fun things to do and see in Legoland, and great decorations all over the walls. The master bedroom section also has fun decorations on the bed and the walls. Lego creations are found on every wall. Under the desk is a teeny tiny fridge to keep your food cold, as long as you don't have much to put in there. Look out the window at the beautiful pool area, slightly cold however. Free drinks are left in the room along with Legos to play with, but you cannot take the toys home with you. The bathroom has a heavy sliding door, but warning, it does not lock. Be careful not to fall into the magic moat guarding the bathroom entrance. The bathroom has a fun decorated shower curtain, an imaginary window, and more Lego decorations on the walls. The toilet even includes a special seat for little kids. The third floor has an Egyptian theme. These rooms also have great decorations on the bed, the walls, and in the bathroom. They did a great job designing the wallpaper and carpet to make you feel like you're part of some kind of Egyptian Lego story. The kids' beds are well decorated, and again there is a puzzle on the wall and a safe TV. The themed carpet design added to the unique hotel feeling. The treasure hunt was a big part of the Legoland Hotel experience. Your kids will have to find clues all over the hotel to answer 4 questions to unlock the secret treasure box in your room. These were the questions from our treasure hunt. First, they have to go to the first floor by the elevators and count the picture frames. Next, they have to go to the play area in the lobby and count the balloons on the ceiling. There may or may not be more than what you see here. After that, they have to go to the hotel restaurant and count how many waiters are made out of Legos. I won't give that one away, so these are some of the Lego creations outside of the restaurant. Last, they have to solve the puzzle on the wall in your room and see what number appears. Put all those numbers into the treasure box and see what you get to keep and take home with you. The Legoland Hotel restaurant serves a buffet for every meal with a large variety of choices. Dinner was extremely pricey, but breakfast was equally delicious and free for all hotel guests. Depending on what time you go for breakfast, there could be a wait. The food was quite good and included all kinds of standard breakfast items and some not so standard. And my personal favorite, all the smoked salmon I could eat. Balloon artists will make anything you want to distract your kids from eating a nutritious breakfast. And when you're done eating, every hotel guest gets an early entrance to Legoland.